In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a voice chat in Telegram group. First, make sure you're on Telegram desktop. Go ahead and launch the desktop app on your computer. If you haven't opened it in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version so the interface matches what you see here. Updates ensure the voice chat controls are available and running smoothly. If you're prompted to log in, follow the on-screen instructions to access your account. Depending on your setup, Telegram may ask you to confirm your identity with a quick code. Keep the app open while you complete this, and once you're in, you're ready to continue. Next, open the group where you're an admin. Voice chats in groups can only be started by admins, so make sure you have the necessary permissions. If you have multiple groups, pick the correct one from your chat list and enter the conversation to access the group's controls. Now look to the top right corner of the group chat window. You'll see an icon that looks like a sound wave or a voice bubble. That's your gateway to live audio in the group. If your window is too small and you don't see it right away, try maximizing the app or checking the group's header area to reveal the control icons. Click that icon, and you'll see an option to start a call. Telegram sometimes labels this as Start Video Chat. Don't worry, this is the correct place to initiate a voice-only session as well. The wording covers both voice and video, and you'll choose voice only in the next step. When the pop-up for the call appears, keep the camera switched off. This ensures you start a voice chat rather than a video stream. You can double-check that your microphone is selected and working by looking for a moving level meter or a small microphone icon that responds to your voice. If your operating system asks for microphone permission, allow it so participants can hear you clearly. Headphones can help reduce echo and improve audio quality for everyone in the group. Once the voice chat starts, your group members will see it at the top of the chat and can join in. As the admin, you'll have access to host controls to manage participation and keep the conversation organized. If anything looks different on your screen, it may be due to a recent Telegram update, but the process is the same. Open the group, tap the voice icon, choose Start Video Chat, and leave the camera off. And that's it. You've started a voice chat in your Telegram group quickly and correctly.